How to fix a Cash App transfer fails. So first of all, now check your balance. Open the Cash App on your phone and make sure to log into your account. So make sure you have enough money on your account to make the transfer. After that, check internet connection. So how to do that? Use a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data signal. A weak connection can stop the transfer. Now after that, update the app. So after that, go to the App Store or Google Play and search for Cash App and tap update if it's available. Now check card or bank info. So go to linked account in your Cash App and make sure your debit card or bank info is correct and not expired. Now after that, try again later. So sometimes the Cash App servers are down. Wait for a few minutes and try the transfer again, or you can go there to their social accounts like Twitter, and now you can go there and ask them for the problem that you have or that you face. Now, final step, you can contact support team. So if it fails, so if it still fails, go to your profile, then tap on support and tap something else. Now tap payments and explain your issue clearly and they will fix your problem. And this is how to fix Cash App transfer failed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.